we're going to make for you fluffy and soft mandazzi. We need eggs, and we need, what is this? Baking powder, and we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We need sugar, and we need 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we need, this is baking flour, and this is 700 grams of baking flour, and then we need blue band, and then a pinch of salt. Let's get started. Okay, can you put a pinch? Milk, and then flour. Slowly by slowly. Can help you. Now we're making fluffy mandazzi, so you have to heavy. going to keep it for like 1 hour, and then we fry it. We fry our fluffy mandazzi. Then we cover it with a cloth. Wow, our 1 hour is over. Now we are going to cut our mandazzi. You can use any design you want. I'm going to use a rectangle. I'm going to use rectangles. Rectangles and squares. Our cooking oil is almost ready. Yeah, let me check if it's ready. Then we get started. Wow, it's ready. So we can we are putting, be careful, because it might burn your fingers. And make sure you use medium fire, because if you put a lot of fire, it will get ready on top and then it does not get ready inside. Wow, we did it. We have made for vanilla, this is vanilla, and then we have made for cinnamon. So they have different tastes. This one tastes vanilla and this one tastes cinnamon. So soft. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like. See you in the next video. Bye bye. How is cinnamon? Wow. And my vanilla is very lovely. Feel like eating the whole plate, but smart. See you. And we